Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mute the conversation on the 24Task client application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the chat icon down below, which is the second option. Click on the relevant one that you want to mute and tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on mute conversation, which is the second option. It means that you won't receive notifications and as you can see you are still able to send messages. But if you want to unmute the conversation so that you will get notified when your addressee answers your question, tap on the same button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.